This 5-minute solution will show you how to use Instagram Threads desktop site. Now on, you can easily use the threads from your computer. So first of all, open a browser and type threads.net and you will jump into Threads login page. Here, enter your Instagram account login credential and click on login. And then you will log into your Thread account. Once you are here, you can click on this little heart icon to like any post, and to comment on any post, click on comments. Click on post to add any comment. To repost any post, click on this repost icon and you can select repost or quote. And to share any post, click on the share icon. Now you can copy the post link from here, or you can copy the embed code to share any post. And to go to the home page, click on this home icon. And to search for any user, click on this magnifying glass icon and enter the name whom you want to search. Now you can follow any account from here, and to view any profile, click on the profile and you will jump into the profile. And to add a post, click on this new post icon and now you can write here your thread. To attach files, click on this attach icon and now you can select any photo or a video. Then click on this anyone can reply. Then you can select privacy and click on post, and that's how you'll be able to upload a thread. And to see notifications, click on this third icon and here you will find all of your thread notifications. And to view your profile, click on this profile icon and you will jump into your profile page. Here you can open or see your profile photo. You can see here your threads list. You can see your replies here. You can see your repost here. And to change your thread theme, click on this icon. Click on switch appearance to get the dark mode and white mode. So this is how we can use thread on computer. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.